Jewelries loves. So for this video, I am going to share with you my unboxing and what fits on this beautiful KateSpade Margaux mini satchel in Tutu pink. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open it right now. Oh my gosh, this has been sitting in my room for about, oh my gosh, 2 weeks already. And yeah, so I ordered another bag from Michael Kors, which you will see soon, also in pink, because you know how much I love pink bags and I'm collecting them. But I'm only liking those that are blush pink, nude pink, and the lightest of the pinks. Yes. Yeah, it came pretty quickly, about not even a week, like just a few days, 3 days if I'm not mistaken. And I saw lots of like negative reviews from people that they did not receive their item or whatnot. But yeah, I received mine, and I didn't just have a confirmation with my order, but it's okay. Maybe they're just having problems with their system. But oh my god, this is it now. Ooh, big box. Ta-da! And then they have it here. How was your experience on uox.com? So of course they want people to do a feedback. And here, you know I am always honest with you guys. I'm not getting paid anyway, so I can tell you whatever I want based on facts. All right, so here, okay, there you go, order form. And then they're saying something about the returns and exchange. Oh, 15 days. Oh no. Yeah. So I got this bag on a discount already. I'm going to put it on the screen on how much it really is. And then the discount, like it's already discounted on the website. And then they have like if you sign up on their newsletter, then they will give you an extra 10% discount on top of the discounted products. So yes, I got more discounts. Oh, it's small. I didn't know it was that small. Here's the return label. I think this is very expensive for how small it is. KateSpade bag. It's placed on a dust bag instead. But I'm 100% sure that this is brand new because that website sells mostly brand new stuff. But the good thing about that website is that they have a lot of items that are hard to find. And this, it's hard to find. I'm very late on collecting pink bags. So a lot of the good ones are already taken. So hopefully, let's see. This is really hard to find. All right, I'm still super excited. I don't mind if it's a small bag because I love small bags now. Okay, so there you go. The dust bag is even super pink. I love it. Let's see. Ah, okay. It's so small. Ah. And it looks like this. So it didn't say on the website that it was the mini Margaux, KateSpade Margaux satchel bag, but I'm actually okay that it is small. It's just that it could also be nice to have the medium size. It matches my Apple Watch here. But yeah, okay, let's see what we have in here. So here's a KateSpade tag. Yeah, it says here, Margaux mini satchel in Tutu pink. And then here's some take care card on how to care for the for this bag. And it looks like this. So this is the one for the crossbody. So we have this one here, which is like a cute accent for the bag. And then, okay. Okay, so inside it's lined, it's Saffiano lined also. So that's good because if it's a fabric there, then it's not easy to wipe it off when it gets dirty inside. So that's good that it's leather lined also. All right, so let's go ahead and check out what's in the middle here. Okay, so this bag has KateSpade also on this zipper puller That's really cool. That's a nice touch. And then now let's pull that zipper. Okay, that zipper is functioning well. And then, oh my gosh, it's so cute in the middle here. Now we're talking, because I really love the KateSpade print. So it has a pocket here that has a snap. And then some other pockets right there where you can put your cards. That's so cool. Okay, but there's something inside here. It's this one. Another care card. It's another care card here. So this one has 2 care cards. Okay, I should really take care of this then. And then there's like KateSpade all over the lining here and there. Like this. You can see it right there. And then there is like some also on the other side and then inside too. Yeah, so there's like a 2 card slots here. 1, 2. Oh, this is just a super cute satchel. Some additional details about this bag is that there's this cute enamel heart here, or rather spade here. Well, it looks like heart to me if you look at it this way. But yeah, it's KateSpade, so that's probably a spade this way when it's upside down. So there. And then I like the fact that this has feet. So when you put it on a flat surface, then it will be able to stand. The sides is like so. Well, not gonna expand too much, but yeah, at least just a teeny bit. So that's really cool. Those are both sides of it. The handle looks like it's a nice firm one. I love that the stitches looks like they are pretty well made. And then the leather itself, the feel of this bag is just amazing. Lovely. We could see the KateSpade logo in here. I saw that from some of the reviews. They do not really like that it's like just laser printed in here, because this could be worn out over time, but it's okay. And inside, I think I was able to see that, yeah, so on this part it has a snap closure. That one has a spade on it too. Just a super cute, lovely touch. That's so nice. So that's about it. And then also for us to be able to use it as a crossbody bag, then you can attach one end here and then the other end on this side right there. So it goes like so. Yeah, I think it's really nice and pretty convenient. So for me, at the beginning of the day, when we still have lots of energy, then it will be really nice to hold this as a handbag, just like so, or like do like this on the arm. But at the end of the day, when we are so tired and exhausted, then we wanted to use it as a crossbody. And then also, like for example, we were from work or from school, and then we wanted to drop by a store, the grocery, pick up something, then we'll be able to use both hands. Because if we have this on one hand, even if it's right like this way, then we do not have hands to like pick up things in the grocery or whichever it is. Then yeah, I think it would be really nice if we always bring this crossbody leather strap with us. And yeah, it will be very convenient and we could be hands-free. And I will do a lookbook of how to do some clothes styling and having this bag with you. It complements the one I'm wearing right now. This is actually a bodysuit, one of my favorites. Just a royal blue with some thinner white stripe, and it looks so nice. So yeah, you could just carry it with your hand or then with your arm like so. I have a tape measure here to measure how tall this is, or like a There are, of course, specific measurements, which I'm going to put the dimensions on the description bar, but definitely for sure put here iPad mini. Of course, it could fit my phone right here. So this is how it looks. So I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is how it looks against the phone. That's the length, and then the height is like so, just for you to have an idea on how big this is. So there. So of course, I have here my makeup bag that I always bring every day. That could easily fit in here. No problem at all. So there, let's just put the essentials. And then the phone, so yeah, that's about it. I think that it was really nice. I love the color. What do you think? Let me know on the comment section down below. And if you have a KateSpade, let me know what you think and which of the KateSpade designs are the best. And yeah, I'm going to show you some footages of me using it on a lookbook. Everybody, thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing of my first ever KateSpade satchel bag, just a mini version. And I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed unboxing this one, and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget that I always have lots of bag videos or fashion videos here on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check it out. I have an entire playlist specifically for bags. Yes, so you're gonna go ahead and see that. And also I'm going to do a haul of my Marc Jacobs soft shot quilted bag, and you will see that very soon. I think this will be uploaded first because I got this first, and then that bag I just bought today, which is the 2nd of March 2021. Yeah, alright, so see you on my next video. Remember to stay fierce and fly high.